May Day on the island of Sodor. And the engines were celebrating. They knew there'd be music and lots of fun. The station was being decorated. The Topham Hats said that the engines could be decorated too. I'm going to have flags and streamers, whistled Percy. I'm going to have a big red banner, whistled Thomas.
What decorations will you have, Gordon? Asked Murdoch.
Decorations aren't dignified for an important engine like me. I pull the express.
Gordon was feeling insulted.
Silly little engines, he grunted.
Thomas was enjoying himself. He was bringing the maypole. The farmer's children waved. Thomas peeped happily as he passed by. Soon it was time for the decorating. Percy's driver was wrapping streamers and flags around his funnel. Thomas had a big red banner on his tanks. Even Murdoch was being decorated, although he was very shy about it.
We could have a contest for the best dressed engine, suggested James.
Just then, Gordon shunted in.
A contest? He puffed. I'm bound to win any contest.
You will have to be decorated, said James. This is a best-dressed engine contest.
Not me, puffed Gordon. You never catch me looking so ridiculous.
The engine smelled splendid. But not Gordon. He was cross.
Decorations aren't dignified. Huh. Who cares about a contest anyway?
Further down his line, a colorful banner was strung across the bridge. Then, as Gordon steamed across the bridge, it came loose and wrapped around his firebox. Gordon couldn't see the line ahead. Gordon tried to whoosh the banner off, but it wouldn't budge.
I can't see! He whistled loudly to his driver. Stop!
You can't stop, Gordon, his driver called back. You're the express. Trevor was chugging slowly along with his load of apples for the children's apple bar. Trevor heard a whistle. He was going as fast as he could, but it wasn't fast enough. The apples were all smashed. James was the last engine to join the contest, or so he thought. Here comes Gordon! Cried the passengers. We didn't think you wanted to be decorated, teased Thomas.
I didn't, puffed Gordon.
Well, you're definitely the best-dressed engine, said James. All the engines agreed. Gordon was secretly pleased, but he didn't think it was dignified to say so. Silly Gordon.